Hi everyone, today we are going to make a quick and an easy green chutney with a special ingredient. Let's get started. We need 2 green chilies, half an inch of ginger, then a special ingredient that is paneer, 7 to 8 cubes should be enough, handful of mint leaves, then a handful of coriander leaves. Then we would need 2 spoons of thick curd, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Blend everything well. If needed, you can add an ice cube or 2 spoons of water. Then add half a lemon and salt as per taste. Mix everything well and it's ready to serve. You can store this in an airtight container for later use. It tastes awesome with cutlets or tandoori kebabs. Do check out my next video of broccoli bites that goes well with this chutney. If you like this recipe, do subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comments. Stay healthy and stay happy.